In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Bearish Pennant Chart Pattern quick and easy guide. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to pull up the Bearish Pennant pattern on your Tradingview chart in just a few clicks, and how to do it in a way that's smooth and repeatable for your own technical analysis. First, make sure you're logged in and have a chart open in Tradingview. It can be any market you like: stocks, crypto, forex, or indices. Once your chart is loaded, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually near the top toolbar. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where all the built-in tools, scripts, and patterns are stored, and it's the main place you'll go whenever you want to add something new to your chart. After the Indicators window opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search bar and type the word Pennant. Typing directly into the search field is much faster than scrolling through the whole list, and it helps you filter down to only the tools related to pennants and similar patterns. Take a second to make sure you've typed it correctly, because even a small typo might return no results. Once you've typed pennant, you'll see a list of matching tools and patterns appear below. From that list, look specifically for Bearish Pennant Chart Pattern. This is the tool we want. When you see it, simply click on Bearish Pennant Chart Pattern. As soon as you select it, Tradingview will add that pattern tool to your chart, ready for you to start marking up potential bearish pennant formations. At this point, you can begin using the tool to highlight areas on the chart where you see a strong downward move followed by a consolidation that forms a pennant shape. The indicator won't automatically trade for you. It's a visual aid that helps you quickly spot and review this specific continuation pattern. Take a moment to zoom in and out on your chart to see how the pattern looks in different time frames and to get comfortable with how it appears in trending markets. If you want to unlock extra features, more alerts, and a smoother overall charting experience, check out the affiliate link for Tradingview Pro in the description below this video. Using that link supports the channel at no extra cost to you and gives you access to more advanced tools that can really level up your chart analysis. That's all there is to it. You've now added the Bearish Pennant Chart Pattern to your Tradingview setup, and you're ready to start integrating it into your strategy.